We're here at Nishiki Market.
Today, we're exploring one of Kyoto's tastiest destinations, ang Nishiki Market. Also known as Kyoto's Kitchen, Nishiki Market is where locals and tourists come for fresh ingredients, street food, and super interesting na snacks. In this video, I'll show you what it's really like to walk through Nishiki, what to eat, what are the things that you have to look out for, and a few things na you can't leave without trying. Ano, ready na kayo? Tara, let's go! Hello!
Ayan, nabudol na siya sa Soso. Ang kanyang first budol. Nishiki Market naman tayo, guys. O, diba? Ayaw pa namin mag-give up kahit nahulas na ng bongga. Kahit pawis na. After namin bumili sa Soso, Nishiki Market muna saglit. Kasi 3-minute walk lang siya from Soso Hotel. So, daanan na rin natin. We're here at Nishiki Market. So apparently, pwede na rin tayo mag-shopping pala dito. Para siyang a less crowded version of Dotonbori. Pwede tayo mag-shop here, pero syempre, yung una nating pakay ay pagkain. Ayan, ito ang kanilang fishball dito sa Japan. Fishball nila ay napaka-extra. Mukha na siyang takoyaki, guys. Pero fishball yan. Ayan, tingnan na natin ang kanilang fishball. May mga iba-ibang fish. It tastes like takoyaki. Ano to, wafer? Oh, it's wafer. Guys, sabi dito, no eating while walking. Please eat in front of the store where you purchase the food. Ayun, courtesy daw yun kasi, di ba crowded dito, maraming tao. Delikado kapag you eat while you're walking, baka may matapunan ka or may matusok ka, parang ganyan. So, kapag may bibiling ka ng pagkain, huwag maglakad, sit in front of the store muna or stand in front of the store and then there, you finish your food. Hi, Takomago please. 600? Yes. Just one. Okay, gozaimasu. Thank you. Takomago. Ito na friends. Sorry, kinain ko na agad. Ang kanilang Takomago. So kanina nakita yung itsura niya, di ba? Yung ulo niya is actually an egg or egg yolk. Ayan. Masarap naman. Manamis-namis siya. Parang may marinade, gano'n. Yummy. You want to try it? Of course. Matcha mochi. Mochi, this is dipped in matcha. Nakita namin kanina, nilagay pa nila yung matcha. Binuhos nila here. So this is cream, and this is the matcha na meron kung saan natin dinip ang kanilang mochi. Ayan, tingnan nyo. May laman siya. May laman siya na, meron din siyang laman na red bean. Meron kang spoon in case you want to scoop the rest. Meron tayo ng lemon matcha soda. Sabi i-mix daw. Baka mabash na naman ako at hindi ko daw minimix ang inumin. Harap. Parang carbonated water lang siya. Hindi talaga siya soda. Sarap na. Ayun, tapos na ang ating food trip here sa Nishiki Market. Marami-rami rin tayong nakain, no? Marami-rami tayo natikman. Parang full meal na siya actually kasi may appetizer, may meat, may dessert, may drink. So, ayun, happy tummy kahit na mainit ang panahon. That ends our adventure here sa Nishiki Market. Before kami bumalik ng hotel sa Osaka, tayo muna ay ikot-ikot muna dito sa Nishiki Market kasi marami ding mga shops dito. Baka naman pwedeng dito na lang tayo mag-shopping instead of Dotonbori kasi in a way, less crowded siya. So, ikot muna kami and shop. Okay, tara, let's go! Si Arman. So, nakabili na siya. Siya ang maraming na-shop today. Mizuno and then kanyang Soso na bag. Yayamanin. Thank you. Ito na po ang ating kakainin from Gyukatsu. This is the 130 grams yun na steak. Good enough na yung size. Mga dips, soup, if I'm not mistaken, and then rice. And then ito, para siyang roe, fish roe yata. What you usually do with this ay ihalo niyo siya sa rice. This one naman is dessert. So what we do, kunin natin yung meat, and then ilalagay natin siya dito sa stone grill. Ayan. And then saglit lang yan, hindi masyado matagal. Hindi niyo dapat ma-overcook kasi hindi na magiging tender yung beef kapag na-overcook siya. So, saglit lang na luto.